Hey guys, thank you for coming to watch this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. Wiggins Hair is a wig company. They sell body wave wigs, deep wave, loose wave, straight. They sell highlights. They got 613. Literally any wig that you can think of that you need will be on that website. So today's sponsored wig is their 22-inch body wave HD lace 13x4 frontal unit. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's so full and bouncy. And then the lace, y'all, look at this lace. Look at this. Look at that. Like, you are not going to be able to tell it's any lace on when I get it installed. Along with this wig, they sent me some cute little goodies, so I'm going to show y'all that. A pack of wig caps, some cute lashes, 2 wig bands for my lace. So I got this one. It has Velcro on it, and then this one doesn't. A hair care booklet, so it tells you how to wash it, how to treat it, how to maintain it, and everything like that. And then this cute headband to wear with it as well. And they also sent me an edge brush. This is the bag that it came in. Wiggins Hair, and then all of their information is on the back. I got a medium-sized cap for reference, so here's what it looks like. The link to this wig and their website will be in the description below. They're also having a Christmas sale up to 50% off. So make sure when y'all go and get y'all wig, y'all get y'all discount, okay? So let's go ahead and head to my hair appointment.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly shit. I am with everybody in my past. Don't want me to be, guess what? I made it. I'm the motherfucking man. I just want you to see, come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit frontin' on me, don't come around and try and gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go? I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Guess I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for. Like leaving girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my thoughts. I said, damn, where my roof just go? Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl. I got and I can't black since I got famous. I got money to blow, getting it in, letting these bills fall all over your skin. I got money to blow.
How the fool not to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go hate while I Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that guns, Pluto Central and lick. Ooh, too many convicts that rolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, grab about nonsense, get old, so I'm spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had to count them like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. Ooh, I'm tryna talk that Draco in London, and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, we some poor, high class niggas, maybe we rich, yeah. I was at the bando, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando. Live on my neck, my wrist. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got promethazine in my blood and Percocet. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call them Savini. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, carrot the pinky. All fat though, we order the feature. I'm in the loop with the food, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you work? I put your face in the nude, I put the puss on the shirt. After I murdered it, baby, go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird, niggas birthday, you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting, got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I'm pushing P as my favorite alphabet. She let me do it, I please on my alphabet. When you're low, you paid off, you don't have to care. When you pay your own bills, you don't have to care. If they know this ain't broken, they gotta smell. We just got a fresh boat, it's a lot of them. That boy only thirsty, can't get him out of there. Rock him at the pub, then they drive himself, so I don't got the pub. I bring my drink and my watch is up the pub. We gon' hit the hit and watch it out it fall. On foreign posts, I ain't taking no more calls. That pussy pop, gotta give her all the applause. I'm on this top, the brody, them a job. I put it up, forever living large. Be okay, make it to tomorrow. 25,000 for a jacket. Where my niggas acting like they ain't acting. No, they don't, she ain't tryna let me get a track. Going on fast cars, cutting up a traffic. One of those, we ain't nothing like these other rappers. Where you be tryna stay, but she get at it. Here, bro, me ain't gonna going back to back. Here it go.
Now seeing stars, me and Money More, running that coupe, yeah, the plan pushed up. Rushing, I'm blessed, that's why I'm the drill gun. Mama ain't stressing, I'm still going hard. Got me two best and two main best friends, that's my whole name worth a check on that glad black card. Niggas invest, but I keep niggas stress, you get whacked with that tech, ain't no need to act hard. Only speak weapons. They be on my wrist, ain't accepting apologies. So much pride, you ain't gotta be proud of me. I'm a doggo, you don't got a lot of me. Feel like Pookie, that money keep calling me. Came along like from shopping at Dollar Tree. She keep swallowing, that's why I don't gotta see. Like Selena, she that girl you gotta see.
25,000 for a jacket. Where my niggas acting like they ain't acting. No, they don't, she ain't tryna let me get a crack. Going on fast cars, cutting up a traffic. One of those, we ain't nothing like these other rappers. Where it go, you be tryna say, but she get at it. Here, all, we ain't gonna going back to back. Here it go.
up, swim running traffic, I'm one of those. We ain't nothing like you other rappers. Weirdos, you be trying to save a cheat at the hero. Me and baby going back to back. Here it go.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was a loner. My old man the owner, and I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever, I'm dirty Sprite forever. You come sit with me, if you like to change the weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty. To the cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell I wish that I met. Turn on the lights, I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises, ain't never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' cheat and she gon' never make no move. I heard she beat out anytime you need her, she call me. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Get along with it. Tell her I've been looking for her in the market. Hanging with the two boys in the hallway. And I know the keeper, yeah, you gotta get that penny. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her too. I heard she got a pretty face and sounding like a stallion. I heard that she a precious jewel, treat her to medallions. I wanna be the one to find her if I go to pilot. And if I get another one, you know I can't wait to dial it. And if we get together, girl, you know we gon' be wildin'. And when we get together, we make magic in this house. Whenever you will play, ain't there no...
Here's the final look of the hair. It's really long. This is 22 inches, y'all. 22 inches right here. Look where it's stopping, and it's curled. I'm just loving it. It's so full and bouncy. So that is the end of the come to my hair appointment with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Wiggins Hair for sending me this beautiful piece. Make sure you guys go on their website and get you guys a wig for the new year, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.